Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see a cycle gadget for my son and seeing what is the features of the gadget and the uses of the gadget. So friends, I am opening the box and you are seeing this is the cycle gadget. Before going to the video, if this video helps you, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my channel. You can see this is the gadget and this is the backlight indicator and this is the front light. You can see these are two rubber bands to fix the backlight, and this is the front light. It is very useful in case of riding your cycle in night, and this is the USB charging cable. So the light is with 1200 mAh battery, and you are seeing the timing. In glare mode it can run 2.5 hours, and low light 5 hours, and strobe 3.5 hours. So now we are seeing the features. This is the light and this is the on off button. You can see the light, and this is the rubber band to fix with the handle of the cycle, and this is a switch with a rubber band to fix with the handle, and this switch is for your horn, and this is the light switch I am switching on. You can see the light is enough to ride at night. This is the blinking mode. This is on, this is low light, and this is blinking mode. You can operate the light with the help of this switch, and you can see this is the USB charging port. You can charge your light with this port, and this is backlight. You are seeing this is backlight. I think this is the charging port. You can see this is the charging port, and this is the key, and this is the switch. Press like this, press for some time, the light will change blinking, and I am pressing, light is glowing, the light is running, and it is blinking. 3 mode, and long press to switch off. I think this is very useful gadget for your child who ride the cycle at night. And now I am going to fix with the cycle. So keep watching. Now I am fixing the backlight with the rubber band. You can see this is the backlight and fixing with the rubber band. Just fix the rubber band below and like this, and you can see this is fixed, and switch on the light. You can see the light is looking very well, and now I am going to install the headlight. You can see this is the rubber band. Now I am opening the band like this and fixing the light in this position handle, and pull the rubber band to its clip. You can see I have pulled the rubber band to its position, and also open the switch of the band of the switch and opening the wire. You can see I have opened the wire and fixing the switch. You can see I have fixed the switch, and now I am testing the switch. You can see it is sounding and the light is glowing. And friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share or subscribe my channel. Thank you.